Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the delegation and decentralizations of management. Delegation is an important part of organizing process. Its needs is felt when due to the excessive workload on a manager, he is unable to perform all the job independently. In this situation, he divide his work among the subordinate, but just mere division of work does not guarantee success. For the successful performance, authority should be given to the subordinate to take work-related decisions. Thus, the divisions of work and assignment authority for the successful work performance is called delegations of authority. Means in simple terms, delegations of authority refer to the process of entrusting responsibility and authority and creating accountability of the person to whom the work or responsibility has been handed over. According to the Heyman, delegation of authority merely means the guarantee of authority to the subordinate to operate within a prescribed limit. Here, element of delegation of authority are responsibility, authority, and accountability. In order to study delegation of authority in detail, it first initial to understand the meaning of the three elements, that is responsibility, authority, and accountability. First, responsibility is the obligation of subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. When a superior assigns a job to his subordinate, it becomes the responsibility of the subordinate to complete that job. This means that the word responsibility come into play only after the job has been assigned, and to assign job can called a assigned responsibility. Next, authority. Authority means the power to take decision. Decision can be related to the useful of resources and to do or not to do something. Authority is the key to managerial job because a post without authority cannot be managerial post. Next, accountability. Accountability means the answerability of the subordinate to his superior for his work performance. In other words, we can say that when a superior assigns job or work, the responsibility to his subordinate to he give authority to them, which make workers accountable to their superior for the work performance. Now the importance of delegations of authority. First, effective management. Effectiveness means successful acknowledgement of an object. Delegation of authority reduce the workload of manager. A manager who have practiced delegation of authority are definitely better decision make than those manager who do not delegate authority. Next, employee development. The mental growth of a person take place only when he has authority to take decision. The process of delegations of authority provide the authority to take decision by the subordinate. With the given authority, manager take decision, and as a result in future they become more able to take extra responsibility. Next, motivation of employee. In the process of delegation of authority, both authority and responsibility are delegated to the subordinate. This situation provides liberty to worker work and take decision on their part of subordinate. Next, better coordinations. Delegation of authority is the process to establish relations among the responsibility, authority, and accountability. Employee get clarification with regard to their power, duties, accountability for work performance. A clear picture is delineated for all the job performed at various levels, which automatically establish the better coordination. Next, facilitation of growth. Delegation of authority does not develop only one person or division, but facilitate the development of organization as a whole. As educate number able to employ are available in the organization to take decision, expensive modernization and diversifications of business can be done with full confidence. Then we can discuss the process of delegations of authority. The three element responsibility, authority, accountability of delegations of process are complete in the following series. First, assign responsibility. Second, granting authority. Next, fixing accountability. Thank you.